I'm Naturopath Kimballe, and today I'm going to share with you our protein enhanced powder and how to make a delicious protein shake recipe using some of these other ingredients. I've designed this formula to be combined with your preferred source of protein, which can be in the form of raw eggs, for those that tolerate dairy, whey protein isolate, or any of the other plant-based protein powders. It can be used as a meal replacement and especially as a pre-workout protein shake.
Any preferred milk is suitable, but here we're using half a cup of coconut milk with half a cup of water, a raw egg for whole food complete protein, and 3 scoops of the protein enhanced powder. You would double all of this recipe if you were using it as a pre-workout protein shake. 1 teaspoon of MCT oil and 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil for omegas and exogenous ketones. Blend and enjoy.